How to make a vertical line in Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So making a vertical line in Google Docs is very simple. All you have to do is use this drawing app. To do so, go to Insert, go to Drawing, go to New. Here you will see shapes, go there, or go to Line and simply create a vertical straight line. You can choose its color, line weight like this, make it like anything you want, simply save and close it, and now you can shift it wherever you want. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.